fucking past me, dude. No. No. Hell no.
Really?
Oh.
He almost hit you. Oh, wow.
Really? Let's fucking play this game. Just let him go, man. It ain't worth it.